Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to show you the infinite love meditation that came to me a couple years ago. I've been practicing it and it's time to share it with the world, just to have more people helping send love and light out into the world. So what I had been guided to do, was to cross my arms over my heart center here, and I'm kind of breathing into my heart center as I'm doing this. Sorry, flies. And I am creating with my arms, utilizing my shoulders, the infinity symbol. So if you just kind of envision the energy, if I come down this, up through this shoulder here, and then down into this fingertip, up to this shoulder, and down. And I'll put a little picture up to show, but I'm just visualizing in my mind the infinity symbol and the energy going through my hands as I sit here. So then, just with my intent through my right brain, my heart center, I am multiplying all of the love and light that I'm sending into my infinity symbol here, multiplying that and then sending that out into the world. And as I sit here, I just do what I call I am mantras, and I just say I am peace or I am joy, and I go through the meditation, and that kind of keeps my mind focused. And I'm doing it on my breath, so I will put a little caption up so that you guys can follow along with me if you want, or you can, once you see how to do it, you can turn this video off and just come up with your own practice. But really it's just 2 steps: crossing your arms over your heart and then setting your intent to send that love and light out into the world. So let's go ahead and just do a quick run through here so you can see how I do it. So I will just sit down, cross my arms over my heart, and then I close my eyes. I am peace. I am love. I am joy. I am compassion. I am gratitude. I am forgiveness. And it's simple as that. I figure when I cross my arms, I put the energy into the infinity symbol, and at the speed of light, it just multiplies that energy out to infinity. Or if you want to really do the math, 6-foot arm length, that's 1 minute, 9,800,000,000 times that the light goes around my infinity symbol. Thank you for joining me. Peace, love, light, and laughter. Namaste.